Hi my dear friends, welcome to Sripragna tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to write Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. In the previous video we learned how to write Roman numerals from 1 to 10 lakhs. 1 to 10 lakhs. The previous video link will be given in the description. Go to description and see that previous video. After that come to this video and solve the problems. So in the previous video we learned that in Roman numerals we use basic 7 symbols. So that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. So I stands for the value of I is nothing but 1. The value of V is nothing but 5. The value of X is nothing but 10. The value of L is nothing but 50. The value of C is nothing but 100, D is nothing but 500, M is nothing but 1000. So now we will write these Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numbers. First you see LX, LX. So L is a larger value, X is a smaller value. L is a larger value, 50. X is the smaller value. In the previous video, we learned that if you write any smaller value before larger value, we have to subtract. So it means 50 minus 10. That will give you 40. LX means 50 minus 10. 50 is the larger value before smaller value is there. That value has to be subtracted. 50 minus 10, that will give you 40. And this is 4. IV means 4. 5 before 1 is there. 5 minus 1, that is also 4. Like that also 4. So the answer is 44. Now coming to the second question. X means 10. X stands for 10. 10 plus I. 1 plus 1. That will give you how much? 22. 22. So I means 1, double I means 2, triple I means 3, IV means 4, V means 5, VI means 6, V7 VII means 7, VII means 8, IX means 9, X means 10. So these are the basic 1 to 10. So now IX, it means 9. The value of it is 9. X means 10. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10 plus 5. What is the value of it? 25. 25. C means 100. I plus I, that is nothing but 2. 100 plus 2. 102. V stands for 5. V stands for 5. I plus I. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is nothing but 8. 5 plus 3 is nothing but 8. Next question. X means 10. X means 10 here. Okay, after that also X is there, plus 10. Again X plus 10. IV means 4. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 34 is the answer for this. Coming to the next question. L stands for 50. IV means 4. 54. The answer is 54. 50 plus 4. 54. Next, this is nothing but 7. VII. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 7. See this question. 10 X stands for 10. One more X stands for 10. One more X stands for 10. I plus I plus I, it stands for 3. 33. So here the value of X is nothing but 10. See the symbol. X means 10. Again 10. Again 10. V plus I plus I. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is nothing but 8. V plus I plus I plus I. Okay, the answer is 38. 38. Next. 10. But 10 is before 100. 10 is before 100. So we should subtract. Whenever a smaller value before a larger value, we have to subtract that value. 100 minus 10, that will give you 90. Plus 3, 93 is the answer. 90 plus 3 is nothing but 93. So 100 before 100, small value is plus 90. 190. 190. This is 100. And C before X symbol is there. C before X symbol. It means 100 minus 10. That will give you 90. 190. Next. D stands for 500. The symbol D stands for 500, or the value of D is nothing but 500. 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 10. D means 500, C means 100, C means 100, X means 10. 500 plus 100, 600, 700, 710. 710. Next, D stands for 500, L stands for 50, X stands for 10, 10, I stands for 2. So 500, 50, 60, 70, 72. 572. 572. Next, C stands for 100, L for 50, X for 10, X for 10, IX, the symbol of IX is nothing but 9. 100, 150, 160, 179. 179. Next, D stands for 500, C stands for 100, 100, L means 50, X means 10, again X means 10. 500, 600, 700, 750, 60, 70. 770. Next, CM. C stands for 100, M stands for 1000. So a smaller value is before a larger value. We have to subtract 1000 minus 100. That will give you 900. Whenever you see a smaller value before a larger value, we have to subtract that smaller value from the larger value. 1000 minus 100, that is nothing but 900. Next, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7. 900, 910, 920, 930, 37. 937. Next, 500, 100. Next, 50, 10, 10, 10 and 4. 500, 100, 600, 650, 660, 70, 80, 84. 684. Try this last question by yourself. Try this last question by yourself. So this is the way we can write Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numbers. Hindu-Arabic numbers. Basically, we have to remember these values. These 7 values. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. If you know this, we can able to write Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now we will see how to write Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. Roman numerals. For example, 50 you want to write. How we will represent? 50 means we know the symbol is L. L if you write, that is 15 Roman numerals. If you want to write 100, just you will keep the symbol C. C if you write, that will become 100. If you want to write 1000, if you write M, it will become 1000. If you want to write 500, D if you keep, that will become 500. For example, if you want to write 1947, 1947, 1947. We will represent 1947 in Roman numerals. First you write the number in expanded form. 1000 plus 940 plus 7. This is the expanded form of a number. We know that 1000 means M. 900 is nothing but 1000 minus 100. That will give you 900. If you write a smaller number before larger number, we have to do subtraction. 1000 minus 100. That will give you 900. 40. 40 means 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. If you write a smaller value before a larger value, we have to subtract. So 40 means XL. 7 means we know 5 plus 1 plus 1. So this is the way we can represent 1947 in Roman numerals. Next question. Two thousand 2024. First we will write expanded form of a number. 2000 plus 0 hundreds, 2 tens and 4 ones. So this is the expanded form of a number 2024. 2000 means 1000 plus 1000. 1000 plus 1000. That will give you 2000. Next this is 0. 20. 10 plus 10. That will give you 24. 4 means 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. That will give you 4. So this is the way we can represent 2024 in Roman numerals. We can write any number in Roman numerals with the help of these symbol. What you have to do, just first expand the number. After that, see the symbols. Which symbol will represent which value. Write that symbols. That will give you the answer. For example, we have a number 5678. 5678. 5000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. This is the expanded form of a number. First write in expanded form. 5000. 5000 means V is the value of 5. If you keep bar on it, it will become 5000. Okay. 600. 600 means 500 plus 100 is 600. It is nothing but D is 500 plus 100. 70. 50 plus 20 or 50 plus 10 plus 10. That is 70. 8. V I plus I plus I. This is 8. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That will give you 8. This is the representation of 5678. Or if you want to represent only 78. Only 78. 70 plus 8. 70 means we know 50 plus 10. 60. 60 plus 10. 78. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That will give you 8. This is the representation of 78. For example, 142. 142. 100 plus 40 plus 2. 100 means C. 40 means 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. 2 means I. This is the way we can represent 142.